Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies. Tonight, I got a lot done, and it really doesn't show. Tonight, I sanded, cleaned up, and primed everything. And when I was doing it, I painted the truck body, and I had to stop for a second because I think everything that I was thinking of doing is going to change. Because I just fell in love with this color on this truck. And I'm wondering, I know that's the wrong wheel, but maybe just a flash of red on the rims. But I might just go with some kind of a gray. I have a whole bunch of military colors, but now that I'm looking at this, I think I might paint the entire thing this titanium silver X32. In the comments, let me know what you think, because I'm kind of struggling here right now. And usually I don't when it comes to colors of paints. So what do you guys think? You think I should go with the titanium silver or the red? And man, I'm telling you, for a new car or a roadster or something, the red would be awesome. And I am going to get a roadster here really soon. So I think I'm going to hold off on doing the candy apple until I get to the roadster. And I'm going to do that titanium. And I think that'll look good with the gold Camaro we just finished. But please let me know in the comments what y'all think. Because like I said, I'm kind of struggling with it. But I really like this color on this old truck. It kind of says it's an old truck. Even though it's going to have a killer engine and, you know, updated interior, it's still an old truck. Once I got that blue off it, I really like how the lighter color is making the detail pop. And I think if I go with the candy apple, I'm going to lose a lot of that just because of the layers. So, again, let me know what you think. And if you can hear, the puppies are barking. So it's time for me to go upstairs. So you all have a great night.